no, that was the freaking head coming off the cutoff wheel.
What is going on today, everybody? Welcome back to Fix It Garage. And what was supposed to be the next part of this EJ22 tutorial. Unfortunately, we're not gonna have that video today.
Boo!
See, when you're building engines, something that is out of your control usually is parts. I thought I ordered all the parts I needed in advance, but I didn't get everything I need. So I'm still waiting on a few parts to arrive. They should be here in a couple days. So those videos should resume in the next video for you guys. Today though, don't worry, I still have something lined up for today and it's actually still Subaru related. A little while ago, I went to a buddy's house and helped him tear apart a car that's basically a parts car for him. Need to get everything out so we can send the shell off to scrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll the time lapse of me tearing this thing apart so you guys can see us tearing apart another Subaru just kind of for fun. We took this thing really far apart. Engine, trans, all the wiring out of it. So we'll go ahead and we'll roll that clip for you guys right now. So it's really nice going to a friend's house and being able to use a lift to take a car apart. Something that we need in this garage is we need a lift. Maybe someday we'll get one, but not right now. But yeah, the lift was really nice, but there was one little drawback to that lift. We could not get into the car when it was on the lift just because of where the posts were. You couldn't really get in, you didn't have enough room to climb in and out of the car. So we had to roll it outside, which is why that's the last thing you guys saw was us rolling it outside, was so that we could pull the wiring out. So now we're gonna go from wrenching on the inside of the car to now we're gonna pull out some of the wires and the ignition and a few other pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see that process right now. Desperate times called for desperate measures, guys. That's why you saw us using a pry bar on the HVAC box. It was already damaged, so we saw no point in being gentle taking it out. So we went ahead and used pry bars to get it out and just broke it so we could get to the wire harness. We didn't really want to pull the dash bar. I do not recommend you do that on your own car when pulling it to get to a harness. Take the dash bar out, pull the HVAC box out, do it the right way. Sometimes it's better to do as I say and not as I do. That was not a good example. But it sure was fun to smash stuff. I'm not gonna lie about that. That was fun. And it was great to be able to do it on something that wasn't super important. So we got the harness out, no big deal. I guess that's just how it goes sometimes, right? So that was fun going to my buddy's house and helping tear apart that car. Maybe I took some of those parts home. You guys will just have to wait and see. Not really ready to reveal a whole lot on what I grabbed and what I didn't grab just yet, but stay tuned, guys. It's coming very soon-ish, I promise. But that's gonna go ahead and do it for today, guys. If you like what you saw, as always, please remember to smash that like button. Leave comments down below with your questions or just stuff you liked, stuff you didn't like. As always, let me know. If you guys want to keep seeing my content, please remember to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you guys can see every video when it goes live. Right now, we're doing 2 days a week, usually around noon Pacific time. I'm gonna be playing with the release times a little bit over the next year, but right now we're doing noon. We're trying that out right now. We tried 5, now we're gonna try noon. So be sure you have your post notifications turned on so you guys don't miss any future videos of Fix It Garage. Thank you guys all for watching, and remember that on any project you're working on, you should never stop wrenching. Thank you.